Breaking news coming in. Fifth Omicron case reported in the national capital. The patient had returned from Tanzania and is currently admitted to Delhi's LNJP hospital. 12 samples were sent for genome sequencing. Omicron was not found in 11 of the 12 samples sent for genome. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain has said that flights from affected nations should be stopped. Shreya is now joining us live for the latest. Shreya, if 11 samples have not tested positive for Omicron, has the one sample out of the 12 tested positive for Omicron? Does that take the tally of Omicron cases to 5 in Delhi? Is that correct?
Well, absolutely so, Chaiti. You know, this is the one confirmed case that is being reported right now from the national capital. 5th confirmed cases across the country. Now, what we do understand that there were samples sent in for genome sequencing of people who were admitted in LNJP. They were flyers, basically, who came from high-risk countries. 12 out of were sent for the sequencing and 1 have tested positive. What we do understand that the one flyer who's tested positive was returning from Tanzania. And we did see the Delhi Health Minister as well to reiterate the demands that were earlier placed by the Chief Minister that the flights from the high-risk countries should be immediately banned. So we can very well say that Omicron scare has now entered the national capital with 1 confirmed case.
Anything to worry about at the moment? Any advisory that has been floated around at the moment, Shreya, from the Delhi government in light of the 5th Omicron case reported in the national capital?
Well, you know, we've seen the advisories that are already in place, especially the ones that were announced by the Union Health Ministry so far as the flights coming from high-risk countries are concerned. And so far as the Delhi government is concerned, we did see the Chief Minister take stock of the amenities that are there in the Delhi hospital so far as oxygen and beds are concerned. That's what we do know as of now. But the demand that's being pushed in from the Delhi government time and again is that the Union Ministry should immediately ban flights from high-risk countries. The Chief Minister earlier said the same thing, and today also, while giving out the details about that one confirmed case, we saw Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain also reiterate the same.
All right. Thanks so much, Shreya, for joining us. Let's now take a look at Omicron.